Hello, my friends. Today's letter is letter N. Letter N makes this sound N, as in nest. Do you want to know more words that start with letter N? Let's play a game. You're going to tell me if the picture you see starts with letter N. Ready? Let's go. Nose. Does it start with letter N? Yes, you are right. Pig. Does it start with letter N? No. 9. Does it start with letter N? Good job, it does. Butterfly. No, it doesn't. Nail. Does it start with letter N? Yes, amazing. Apple. Does it start with letter N? No. What about nuts? Yes, it does. You are right. Pencil. No. So, the words that start with letter N are nose, 9, nurse, nut, and nail. Do you know any other words that start with letter N? You did a good job playing this game. Wait for me next time to play more games. See you later, alligators.